Hi, welcome to this SP Training Online. I'm in a Simpson and I created the Simpson protocol. So I'll maybe pass it over to my trainers now and they'll tell you about what we are doing.
Hello, my name's Tim Horn. I've been a Simpson protocol trainer for over 15 years. My friend there is Greg Beckett, also an exceptionally good trainer for the Simpson protocol. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the process. As you sign up for the Simpson protocol, you're given background information so you can feel comfortable even before you come into the class. The process, the background, and all the aspects of the Simpson protocol are explained to you so you have an idea of exactly what we encompass within the training itself. After that, we ask you to call Greg or myself, discuss with them in more detail the process of the protocol so you can feel comfortable with it. It's an entirely inclusive and holistic program that allows the client to do the work. And after you talk to Greg or myself, you can see who you feel most comfortable with. And at that point, you can commit to the time you're going to come in. You make a commitment not just to yourself, but to the people you're going to help. Even if you're a psychologist, psychiatrist, whatever kind of holistic healing you do, the Simpson protocol is an excellent process for you to utilize. Greg?
So everything that Tim said.
Well done.
We are a bit different in our approach of teaching and our style and the way we communicate. So feel free to book a 20-minute chat with me or with Tim or both of us and compare and see what style works best for you. Whether, again, you are a hypnotist already or not. Maybe you are a coach or you're doing other modalities or you're a therapist and you want to add something to your practice. We're always here to speak with you and have you choose what's best in your dates or maybe personality. And we get to evaluate you, you get to evaluate us, and we get to have a good time. So I look forward to the 24/7 online right here with you to do this work. And I want to say one last thing is this is a great advantage that you now can do this online with either Tim or myself. No more flights, no more hotels, and it's just set almost specifically for you, at least the way I teach. I don't know about Tim, he'll tell you again, but it's very personal and it's very practical and it's enjoyable.
The really great thing I think about the Simpson protocol is the fact that you do get lots of support. We have a certification program that you follow through with, but if you have questions working with individual clients you want to have answered, you can just drop an email to Greg or myself. We're more than happy to answer. There's also a support group.
We built our own community. Yeah, we have our own forum, our own community that we're free to be ourselves and to discuss whatever questions and things are coming up, be it with clients or just curiosity as we continue to grow. So there's a lot of support afterwards.
This is the thing. The protocol has grown from the very beginning, from a one-day training to a two-day training to now a four-day training with advanced modules that you're allowed to get. The protocol is not a stagnant process. It's one that continues to grow with the people who bring things into it. No longer are we on Facebook. We've outgrown that. We want you to grow with us.
Yeah, well, the essence is that the community, they're buying this training for so much.
Yeah.
But they get so much with it. They get the support of everybody on it. We have 18 trainers around the world. Everybody's on the forum.
There's a wonderful saying, to know and not to do is not truly to know. The wonderful thing about the Simpson protocol training is it's done live online, and you begin to do the process from the very beginning, working with other people so you can feel comfortable to take the process after the 2 weekends of training and applying it to all your clients. After that, you have the additional work, but you do it so many times that it becomes almost second nature to you.